We got parts. We got some new stuff. We got an oil filter, a battery, stator cover gasket. If the handlebar showed up today, we would be able to take this R6 for a ride today. But so we'll do the battery, all this good stuff, get it all running, and then when the handlebar shows up, we can just bolt that on and then take that thing for a rip. But so we'll get all this stuff on there today, and then I also want to test ride the O2 FZ1 for the first time. I've just had it running in the garage. I want to actually take it for a ride today. So we'll get to it, but this R6 is actually turning out to be a pretty good buy. We'll see. Okay, we got this set up. I'm gonna drain the oil, change the oil filter, and change the stator cover, and we got the new battery and put the battery in. So I'm gonna take this seat off. I'm gonna take this side cover off, and then while I'm in there, I'm gonna fix this blinker too. If I have to take this panel off too, I think I do. But I'm gonna, you know, do everything I gotta do on this side. Yeah, and then we'll be done all back here. The new battery. I might order a new set of seats for it. And then we're waiting on the left side handlebar. We'll put new bar ends. Change the frame sliders probably. Or just take them off altogether. Nice and easy. Oh, and I gotta fix this muffler. That's the last thing that I'm not sure about, but I think that will work out. So let's get some tools and start pulling this apart. Oh yeah, we got it all apart now. The battery died. We got the stator cover off. These 3 bolts in here were kind of tight. I didn't want to strip them out, so it was only this one connector. That's why I lifted the tank up again. So we're gonna take the stator out and put it into the new stator cover. And then we'll start putting this all back together. Alright. We got the new stator cover, new gasket in there, the oil filter, drain the oil, clean the oil out of the inside of that plastic. So now, oh, and I fixed this blinker too. I need a new bulb for it, but I was able to get that back in the housing. That all went back together. So now I'm going to put the tank back down, put the new battery in, add some oil to it, and then just waiting for that handlebar to test drive it. Oh, this is awesome. Almost done. Alright, check it out. It looks like it's all done, but I keep forgetting that even though it doesn't look terrible, there was a lot of stuff that's broken. Still gotta fix the front brakes. Gotta put the new ignition in there. And I gotta see if I can fix this muffler or get another one. And I'm waiting for this other plastic cover. And the frame sliders. And I think, and the handlebar. That's really it. We got the new stator cover. We changed the oil and filter. Got the new battery in there. So this thing, it should fire up on its own. And then this FC1 over here, it's been sitting here for a couple days. No leaks, no nothing. This thing's looking pretty good. I'm happy about this one. Oh, this is looking great. Oh, this is looking good. I'm going to clean up. I still want to test ride this one. Alright, we're going to see if I can make this muffler any better. I'm not going to waste a lot of time on it, but if I can get that dent out a little bit, drill all these rivets out, and get it all lined back up, I'll reuse it. If not, we'll come up with we'll just get another muffler, either a turn down or a muffler. So let's see what happens. Okay, so these were aluminum rivets, so they're a little easier to drill. You just want to drill the center out, just to where the head comes off, just like that. These all, I should have used one size bigger drill bit and it would have took them off cleaner, but these I'll be able to just knock off with a flathead or with a set of pliers. This one I went all the way through, and you kind of don't, because now this band has a bigger hole than it's supposed to, but no big deal. Let's pop these out the rest of the way and see how it looks. Okay, we got it apart. That's the packing with the little screen in there. I'm gonna see if I can get that out any better. Okay, I got this looking halfway decent. It's definitely got wrinkles, but it's not all out of whack now. It's definitely got, but it should go on there straight now. I'm gonna reline, make sure all these holes line up and rivet them back. I had to use this trailer hitch and a dead blow hammer. This is hard to get back because it's aluminum. You'd have to, I could have heated it up, but I don't want to go too crazy. If this was steel, you could have, with that, just that, you could have got this a lot better. But I'm gonna put the packing back in, put that band back on there, and just straighten out this little tab back here too. And then I'm gonna paint this adapter they have black. I think the exhaust on the bike is black too, so this will all blend more hopefully. But alright, it's looking pretty good. I'm gonna put this back together and get it on the bike, and then we'll see how it looks. Alright, check it out. This is all, the metal is stretched, so it's hard to get that back where it was, but the rest of it, got that band riveted back on there.